Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video we want to find the value of this expression 18 divided by 3 times 3 plus 3. Are you ready to solve? Let's go ahead and get started. In this expression we have this division, this multiplication, and this parentheses. As we know, parentheses has higher priority than other operations. So first we do this parentheses. 3 plus 3 equals 6. So we have 18 divided by 3 then times 6. Now we have this division and this multiplication. According to the order of operations, multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. So first 18 divided by 3, which equals 6. So 6 times 6, which equals 36. So our final answer to this problem is just 36.